stampin'upvideo.com, and I'm excited to do a little DIY quick card for you today. A little birthday celebration featuring the Broadway bound paper and itty bitty greetings. I love this two-piece stamp set. I've been talking about it all month long, and I think it's amazing. There's 32 sentiments in all, and they are incredible sizes for not only your scrapbook layouts but also your cards, and I just love them. They remind me of my favorite stamp set that I used to have from a company many years ago that actually got left at a crop or an event that I was at one time, and I was devastated. But there are so many things for every holiday and occasion: anniversary, birthdays, graduation, Christmas, Easter, thanks, trick or treat, forever and always, Father's Day, Mother's Day, baby, love and sympathy, engagement, all of it. It's just here, and I love it so much. So itty bitty greetings is what we're going to use. Standard A2 size card, just using Whisper White. I did cut out some paper from Broadway bound, great celebration paper featuring gray granite, lovely lipstick, lemon lime twist, Whisper White and basic black, and gold foil. Okay, so you could really make a pop of color statement right there with the black and gold. That's amazing. But we're gonna do a little bit more fun, bright birthday celebration here. So I'm going to apply this down, oops, to the front of my card. This is just 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches right on the front. And then I cut out a little piece of white cardstock that is 3 inches by 2 3/4 inches. So that'll go kind of in the center of my card. But I want to, before I stamp on it or do anything else, I want to cut out, just hand cut, a birthday cake or cupcake or something as my embellishment here. But I'm going to see which one I want to use. I think I'm going to use this one, but we're just going to kind of cut it out and see how it looks, because I had this one in mind or this bigger one. Maybe we'll use both, or maybe we'll cut out 3. I don't know. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing until I turn on the camera and start to play, which is always fun, and that's what crafting's all about. Alright, so I love that. That's really cute. This cupcake is adorable though. Look at this cupcake. We could definitely use this guy. I'm just using my paper snips. Moving the paper more than the scissors always gives me a little bit more control too, if you're looking for ways to fussy cut out either your stamped images or even your cardstock. That's adorable. Let's give this guy a cut and see how he plays. With the candles it might not be as easy here, but it's a very straight line other than those candles. So maybe we can, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. We're going to cut around those candles in a minute. Let's see. Turn. And the reverse side of this is again from Broadway bound. Look at that glitter gold foil. Love that. Maybe use that for something else. This one's cute too. Wasn't even one I was actually looking at until I started cutting it out. Let's see. Maybe we'll do all 4. That could be actually really adorable. Doesn't go with the original plan, but hey, when does anything go originally as planned with crafting? When? If everything goes originally as planned every time you craft, drop me a comment. I want to know about it. Every time. Because I've definitely not had it always go as planned, but sometimes it turns out better. Sometimes you're just totally improvising. I'm going to go around these candle edges a little bit more. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think what we're going to do is a little bit of everything on the front of this card. That's so cute. And let's see here. Can we make this fit in this? That'll fit perfect. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're going with it. place everything down. Actually, before I place everything down, I should actually stamp. That's what I should do. And that way I know my stamp is where I want it to be. Lovely lipstick. And it says, my stamp, actually that's not even the right stamp. I have a happy birthday stamp. Let's use the happy, ooh, wait, I know. I'm glad I didn't place them all down yet. Here we go. We're gonna go like this. Happy birthday. It's gonna go right here in this corner. Lovely lipstick. Oh, cute. So cute. So adorable. Okay. And then we're going to simple adhere down to the front. I love simple, easy cards when you can just cut a few things out, stamp, and place, and you're done. That is a great little birthday card for anybody that you'd want to wish a happy birthday to. It'd be great to even make up ahead of time because it's great to have birthday cards on hand, just available to you when you have that last minute need. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the moments today. Have a great day and happy birthday to anybody out there celebrating right now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.